Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am back once again, and today we are going to be reacting to old and new ringtones of 50 phone brands. And we're going to see if the old ringtone is better or the new ringtone is better. So, this is a 33-minute long video, so yeah, it's gonna be a long one. But we're going to be ranking and see if the old ringtone or the new ringtone is better. And you guys let me know down in the comment section down below if you prefer the old ringtone or the new ringtone better. But anyways, before we start, please like and subscribe because we're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. I would really hope that you would subscribe so we can reach this goal for like the first time in history. Please. Just press that subscribe button. Just press that like button. That's all you need to do. But either way, let's get into it. By the way, shout out to Windows Expert, this YouTuber right here. I know this YouTuber well. I watched their videos before. Shout out to them. Their videos are really nostalgic. 50 brands of oldest and newest ringtones. 50 of them. What's the first one? Acer in 1976. That sounds lit. You know, that would make like a really good trap music. Okay, what's next? Not bad. Not bad. You know, for this one, I'm gonna have to pick the Acer DX900. The ringtone is just like, it's low-key kind of sick. It's actually pretty sick, you know. This ringtone would like make really good trap music. Can somebody like turn this Acer DX900 ringtone into like trap music? Because that would be pretty lit. That would actually be pretty lit. What's next? Alcatel, 1988. That's a pretty repetitive ringtone. Next. Not bad. Not bad, if I do say so myself. I think I'm gonna pick the new one because the old one is just really repetitive, and then the new one is just somewhat better than this one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the Alcatel 1B. Next, Apple, 1976.
Sync your RGB devices to your favorite games with Signal RGB, which is an RGB app that supports thousands of...
Now that's an iconic ringtone. Okay, iPhone 15. Oh, that is beautiful. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. It's really hard to decide. The old one it's just very iconic. The new one is pretty beautiful, but I don't. If this iPhone ringtone, if it was like the opening ringtone, then yeah, I would pick the old one. But since it's not, I guess I'm gonna have to go with the iPhone 15 one. It just sounds really beautiful. Next, Asus, 1989. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Wow, I like that. How about the Asus Zenfone 10? That's really solid ringtone. But I'm gonna have to go with the old one. It just sounds so beautiful. It's like, listen to this. Oh my god. That's just so beautiful. I like this one. I like this one better. The Asus V55. Next, BlackBerry 1984. Nothing special. How about the Key2 LE? Oh. Wait. Is this the dubstep remix of the BlackBerry ringtone? Oh, this is lit! Yeah, I'm definitely going with the new one, the BlackBerry Key2 LE. I'm gonna have to go with this ringtone. That's very lit. Next, BLU or Blue from 1996. Another repetitive ringtone. I don't like it. How about the BLU Bold N3? Not bad. Not bad. Pretty good. I think I prefer the new one. Yeah, I prefer the new one. Yeah, I definitely prefer the new one than the old one. The old one is just pretty repetitive. I'm gonna have to go with the Blue or BLU. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm gonna say it's BLU. BLU Bold N3. Next, CAT or CA3 1925. It kind of sounds like a car reversing. Like, yeah, that sounds exactly like a car reversing. You know, like the beep, 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 beep. That sounds exactly like that. How about the at 575? Nothing special. I don't know what to pick because both of them aren't as good, but I guess if I don't have a choice, I guess I'll have to go with the old one because low-key it kind of sounds pretty funny if your like ringtone is like a car reversing. It's low-key kind of funny. So yeah, I'll go with the old one. Classic 8088. Oh, the classic telephone ringtone. Every great grandparent be like, this thing is famous back in the days. This ringtone was iconic back in the days. Next, Cubot 2012. Ooh. That's pretty catchy. Okay. Yes. Not that good. I'll have to pick the old one. The old one sounds way better. That sounds really groovy and catchy. Next one, Dell. Don't just make PCs, they also make phones too, apparently. 1984. Pretty dramatic for a ringtone. Next. Ooh, that sounds pretty sick. Yo, this is actually really fire. Oh, I like this, I like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the new one. That just sounds pretty cool. This one sounds really cool. Next, Doogee or Doogee from 2013. I don't know how to pronounce that. Nah, pretty lame. Pretty lame if you ask me. How about the new one? Oh, that's beautiful. I like this one. Yeah, the new one. The new one. Sounds really good. Next. Energizer 2000. They don't just make batteries, they also make phones, apparently. That's pretty repetitive. What about this one? They both don't sound good. But if I had to choose, I think I'll go with the new one because the old one's just too repetitive. This one sounds somewhat better than this one. Next. Ericsson 1876. Okay. Nothing special. What about this one? Pretty unique ringtone if you ask me. Yeah.
AI can build an entire app in a minute, while the only AI most people over 40 know is ChatGPT.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to go with the new ringtone because it's pretty unique. Google 1988. Ooh. It kind of sounds like you're waking up in the morning and getting yourself ready for the day. It sounds really good. I like it. I like it. How about the Google Pixel Fold? Whoa. Okay. Okay. It kind of sounds like you're going on an adventure. It's really hard to pick. Like one just sounds like you're waking up in the morning. The other one it sounds like you're going on an adventure. I don't know what to pick honestly. But honestly, I think I'm going to go with the I'm gonna have to go with the new one because it's I like going on adventures, you know. Next, Honor 2013. Oh wow. Oh my god. That's really good. I already like this. Oh, that sounds so beautiful. I like this. Nah. The old one. Definitely the old one. It sounds way better than the new one. The old one is just so nostalgic, dude. What's next? HTC 1977. Hey, this one sounds familiar. It kinda sounds like a nursery rhyme. I don't know what nursery rhyme this sounds like. It sounds really familiar. It was like a nursery rhyme. I don't know what the name is. Oh wait, I know. It sounds like the little lark bird. It sounds like the little lark bird. I remember listening to like the little lark bird when I was young, and that sounds like that. It just sounds like that. What about the HTC Wildfire E-Star? It kind of sounds like you're on a beach. I don't know what to pick. One that sounds like a nursery rhyme. The other one that just sounds like you're on a beach. It's pretty hard to pick, but like, I think I'm gonna have to go with the old one because it reminds me of my childhood, honestly. It reminds me of my childhood. The old one. The HTC MTeoR. Huawei, 1987. Okay. Alright. This one. I think I'll pick the new one. Because it's kind of more memorable, more recognizable. Infinix 2013. Oh, I like this. That's pretty cool. That kind of sounds like summer. How about the Infinix 030? Okay. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have to go with the old one because it just sounds like summer. I don't know what it sounds like, so I'm gonna have to go with the old one. This one sounds better. The Infinix Hot S. Next, Itel 2014. Oh, I like that. I like this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll go with the new one. It sounds a lot better. It's also kind of like a modified version of the old one. So yeah, I'll go with the new one. Next, Kyocera 1959. Okay. Pretty unique ringtone. I've never heard anything like it. Okay. What's next? Oh, I like this one. It sounds like jazz. Yo, that sounds really groovy. Yeah, I'll definitely go with the new one. That's really cool. I like that. Lava 2009. Oh my god. Why do low quality sounds sound way better? That just sounds really nostalgic. Yeah, that just sounds really nostalgic. I don't really get why low quality stuff always sounds better, you know. This one? Nah, that's too lame. Definitely the old one is better. The old one is definitely better. The old one is pretty nostalgic. This one it sounds like absolute doo-doo. Yeah, the old one. Lenovo 1984. Apparently they don't just make PCs, they also make phones as well. Another company that makes both PCs as well as smartphones. Okay. Okay. This one. Honestly hard to pick. It's really hard to pick, like... I mean, they both sound good, but I think the new one, I bet the new one sounds better. I think the new one is better. The Lenovo Legion Y70. Next, LG 1947. Ooh. Really cool. That's really cool. It kinda sounds like children's music. What about LG W41 Pro? Oh. Ah yes. The good old life is good ringtone. I'm sorry, but I know old is gold, but I'm gonna have to go with the new one because this ringtone is more iconic. Next, Meizu 1984. Okay. Alright. Okay. That sounds beautiful. I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the old one. The old one just sounds way better. Meizu MX. Next, Micromax 2000. Okay. Next one. Ooh. Yo, we got rock as a ringtone. Yeah, the new one, because I like rock. I like rock. Next, Microsoft 1975. Apparently they also make smartphones. Okay. What's next? Really? That's all? I'm going with the old one. The old one. That's pretty. Old one is better. The old one is better. Next, Motorola 1928. Okay.
Fuck this pussy boy. Fuck it.
Fuck it right, boy. Fuck it right, boy.
Dance on your dick, oh you know you love this shit. Dance on your dick, oh you know you love this shit.
I mean, I think I prefer the new one. You know, like the Rachel like brr, brr, hello moto. Yeah, that was way better. I like that ringtone better. Next, Nokia 1865. Ah, yes. Good old legendary ringtone. This one? Nah, they ruined it. They ruined it. I prefer the old one. The old one, it just sounds way more iconic. They just ruined it. Oh wait, it's a promotion. We're gonna have to skip this real quick. Alright. Nothing. 2020. That's what it sounds like. It kind of sounds like a bunch of taps. Okay. I don't know. I think I'm have to go with the new one. Because the old one, it doesn't really sound that good. Nothing has like the weirdest ringtones, honestly. Next one, OnePlus 2013. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, this one. Oh yeah, I like this one better. It's pretty catchy. The new one is better. Next one, Oppo 2004. Pretty unique ringtone. How about the Oppo A18? I prefer this one. I prefer the new one. Oppo U701 like. The ringtone is just too complex, but this one is pretty simple. It sounds pretty simple. I like this one. Pretty good. Next, Panasonic 1918. Nah, nothing much. What about this one? Wait. This kind of sounds like that OnePlus ringtone. Wait. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it sounds similar, right? It sounds similar. Yeah, it definitely sounds similar. Either way, I'm gonna go with the new one. It sounds better. Next one.
Density is a tool to record your DJ set and master it after. Density connects to
PanTech 1991. It's like, it kind of sounds like you're exploring nature. Yeah. Look at this one. I think I'll go with the old one. The old one is definitely better. Philips 1891. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I like this. I like this. Definitely the new ringtone is better. I like this. Next. Q Mobile 2009. Okay, this one. Really hard choice, but I guess I'll go with the new one. New one. It sounds better. It sounds really magical. This one, Realme 2008. Oh wow. I like that. That's really good. That sounds really good. Next one, the Realme Narzo 60X. Wait, kinda sounds like the same as this one. Yeah, like, look, they sound like the same. Yeah, they sound the same for whatever reason. But I guess I'm gonna have to go with the old one. I'm gonna have to go with the old one. It sounds better. It sounds better. It just sounds really good. So yeah, the old one for me. Next one, Samsung 1938. Okay. Okay. Nothing special. Next one, the Samsung Galaxy A05s. Solid ringtone. Solid ringtone. Yeah, I think I'll go with the new one. I like the new one. It sounds better than this one. Alright, Sharp 1912. I like this one. That sounds really cool. That sounds really catchy. How about this one? I'll go with the old one. The old one sounds way better. It's way better. Next, Siemens 1847. Probably the oldest mobile phone brand in the world. Probably. Wait, that sounds familiar. It sounds like one of Mozart's pieces. I don't remember what piece this name is, but all I know is that this piece is like made by Mozart. Next. Okay. Yeah. Definitely going with the new one. It sounds better. Next. Sony 1946. Nothing special. Nothing special from this one. What about the new one? It sounds better. It sounds like you're walking into a cafe. Yeah, I'll go with the new one. The new one sounds way better. Yeah, the new one. I like the new one. Sony Ericsson 2002. It sounds like another classical piece, like I know I've heard that piece before, but I don't remember what's the name or the artist who made it. I don't remember, but I know that one. Next one. Difficult choice. Very difficult choice, but I guess, yeah, I guess the new one, the Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc S. This one, the ringtone sounds good, sounds way better. Next, Tecno 2006. We got another happy ringtone here. Yeah, that sounds really good. What about the Phantom V Flip? Okay, I'm gonna have to give this one to the old one. I have to give this one to the old one. It sounds really happy. I like this one. Sounds way better. Next one.
Hey, don't forget, you have to go to your cousin's birthday party next week. Bring presents.
Ulefone 2017. That sounds really good. Ulefone Armor 2. I like this one. How about this one? Nah, nothing special. The old one. The old one is better. Definitely the old one. I'll definitely go with the old one. The old one has way more like emotions in it. Next, Verykool 2006. I've never heard of a mobile phone company that's called Verykool. Like, who names their phone Verykool? I don't really know. But let's see. Oh, that sounds relaxing. That sounds really relaxing. I feel like I can fall asleep listening to this. Next. Yeah, I'll give this one to the old one. The old one just sounds very relaxing. I love that one. Vivo 2009. Pretty cool. It's hard to choose, but I think I'll go with the new one. The new one, it just sounds so catchy, you know. I like the new one. Next, Vodafone 1991. Yeah, yet another very repetitive ringtone. I don't like it. I mean, both of them don't sound great, but like, I don't really like the repetitive ringtones, so yeah, I'll go with the new one. The new one sounds somewhat slightly better than the old one. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Oh, 2011. I don't like these ringtones. I don't like it. I don't like it. How does the new one sound like? Oh. Yeah. It sounds magical. Yeah, I'll definitely go with the new one. It sounds better. Sounds way better. Yeah, the new one. The new one sounds better. Next is Xiaomi 2010. The year I was born in. Pretty cool. I like that one. Next one, the 13T Pro. It kind of sounds like you're in a club. Yeah, for this one, I'll go with the new one. The new one sounds better. Next, Yes 2010. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Oh my god. Yet another repetitive ringtone. I hate these ringtones. This one? Ooh. Another jazzy ringtone. For sure, I will go with the new one. The new one for this one. We're almost there. Last one. ZTE 1974. Okay. Alright. For this one, I think I'll have to go with the new one. Yeah, the new one. It just sounds better. You know. Is that it? Yep. That's all of them. Took quite a while, but we made it. So that'll be it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. Have a good day.